Alright, now in lesson number 3, I'm looking at sequence theory and quadratic number patterns. Should have been doing already from grade 10 and in grade 11. And here we're just going to be determining general term of the sequence given a quadratic sequence. Right, so if we have a constant second order difference, right, Tn is quadratic. So they want to know whether the sequence is quadratic. So example here, they've given me 1, 4, 11, 22, 37. Alright. So to solve it, 4 minus 1 gives me 3, 11 minus 4 gives me 7, 22 minus 11 gives me 11, 37 minus 22 gives me 15. As you can see, I'm always subtracting from right to left. No? Don't confuse the two. 7 minus 3 gives me 4, 11 minus 7 gives me 4, 15 minus 11 gives me 4. So you can see my first order difference, the first time I subtracted, the values are not the same, but the second time I've subtracted, the values are all equal to 4. So because the second difference is constant, Tn is then referred to as being quadratic. So it should have the formula Tn equal an squared plus bn plus c. Right, so that is how we would show something is a quadratic sequence. Right, if we go to the second problem. Alright, so if we look here at the second problem, they say determine general term. So you're working with the same quadratic sequence, 1, 4, 11, 22, 37. Right, if I subtract 4 minus 1 gives me 3, 11 minus 4, 7, 22 minus 11, 11, 7 minus 22, 15. And if I subtract the second time, get a second difference of 4. Now there's many ways to solve this, and if you want to, I can show you how we got all these values. But in general, one of the most common ways to solve, get a general term, we'll always say 2a equal to the first term of the second difference. 3a plus b equal 3 of the first difference of first term, and a plus b plus c equal 1 first term. So that's the formula we work with. So say 2a equal 4. 4 divided by 2 gives me a equal to 2. Now I'm going to substitute there in the place of a. 3a plus b equal 3. So a is 2. 3 times 2 would give me 6. If I take positive 6 over, it becomes negative 6. So 3 minus 6 would then give me negative 3. Right, now a and b must be substituted in the last. So I have a plus b plus c equal 1. My a is 2. My b is negative 3. Right, and it's there 1. So 2 minus 3 would give me negative 1. If I take negative 1 over, 1 plus 1 would then give me 2. So if Tn equal an squared plus bn plus c, my a value is 2, my b value is negative 3, and my c value there is 2. So this appears in most exams. You will have to find somehow, some way, the different ways we test quadratic, the formula, but we would give you 1 mark for getting A, 1 mark for getting B, 1 for getting C, and 1 for the formula. So it's a 4-mark exam question. I hope you follow, hope you understand. Right? If you're enjoying the lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. Right? Now determine the end term is the same as saying determine the general term. So if you look here at problem number 3, sequence given is 4, 9, 20, 37, and they say it's quadratic. So if I subtract 9 minus 4 gives me 5, 20 minus 9, 11, 37 minus 20, 17. Alright, and if I subtract the second time, 11 minus 5 gives me 6, 17 minus 11, 6. To find the general term, we'll always say 2a equal to the first term of the second difference, 3a plus b equal first term of the first difference, and a plus b plus c equal 4 first term of the quadratic sequence. So 2a equals 6, 6 divided by 2, a equal 3. 3a plus b equal 5, so in place of a, 3 times 3 gives me 9. If I take it over, 5 minus 9, positive becomes negative, so b equal negative 4. There A is 3, B is negative 4, and C there, as you can see, 4. 3 minus 1 would give me 3 minus 4 gives me minus 1. Take that over, it becomes 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, C equal 5. So 1 mark for each one. And there Tn then equal 3n squared minus 4n plus 5. Hope you enjoy, hope you understand. Feel free to comment or ask any question.